Hi everyone, my name is Cassandra, for those who don't know me, and I do all things education. I'm all about bringing awareness of education to our community, helping people with ideas and concepts of what they could do at home. So in this video, we're going to be learning how we can write a killer essay introduction. So an essay introduction is basically the first paragraph that is going to set the scene for your entire piece of writing. An essay is a very formal type of writing that is taught in high school, but that doesn't limit people in primary school to start learning those skills now. Without further ado, I'm going to run through an introduction process to help you guys, and parents there, you guys can start learning this as well and teach your kids as well, so then you're not paying someone to teach you these basics. So I hope you like this video, I hope you get some tips, and I really hope you guys try this. So yeah, I'm really excited, so let's go. I know this topic, air pollution, obviously is quite popular, but it's really good to bring a topic to children who have something that they're interested in. Like a real problem is really cool to write about. What topics are your kids interested in? It could be, the environment, child slavery. If they're interested in animals and stuff, I find that being a popular topic in my classes. The 3 most visited countries, or the history of our Pacific Islands. There's loads and loads of topics that you can choose. Like, choose things that you're aware of, that you would want to read, that your child should learn as well. I really think that they should learn air pollution, and the best way to write about it is obviously in an essay, because this is basically the standard of writing that you need to have your kids at. If they're not at that, then I hope that you can bring this to your home and actually sit down with your kids and look at them and teach them how to write as well. So you can even use this as a template to guide yourself to teach your kids as well, which I would really, really appreciate. I would really love to see parents do that at home, because it will give you confidence, it will make you feel like you know what you're talking about. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys learnt from it. Let me know in the comments if there is something that you'd want me to, obviously teach next. But yeah, just, get involved and, have fun learning. Thank you.